Wait, don't scroll. Even if you're not using Samsung, this feature will literally change how fast you move on your phone. You see this feature, this thing here is called Edge Panel and Edge Lighting, a secret size shortcut that helps you multitask faster, launch apps instantly, and even makes your phone glow when notifications come in. Whether you're a team, Samsung, Infinix, Tecno, or OnePlus, I'll show you how to use or get similar feature on your phone. Let's dive in. So go to settings, and scroll to display. Here is display. Then tap Edge Panel. Tap Edge Panel. Toggle it on. Mine is already on, so you toggle it on and off here. And now tap the panels to customize what you want to appear, like apps, contacts, clipboard, task, and so on. Okay, tools. Okay, so you can add up to 10 apps for one swipe access, recent contacts, or even screenshots. This is a game changer when you're busy. No need to go back to your home screen. Okay, so for edge lighting, for notifications, you go back to settings. All right, this is still settings, and you scroll to notifications, then tap brief pop-up. Tap notification pop-up style, this one, and then tap brief pop-up setting, this one. Or you can search for edge lighting. Pick the style, color, and apps it should glow for. So here I could select for which app that I want it to glow for. Okay, now the screen edge lights up when you get a message, even when your screen is off. Perfect for quiet alerts. And now excuse me, now for Tecno, Infinix, all the other phones. If you're not using Samsung, on most Tecno and Infinix phones, you can go to settings, special function, or smart panel. Enable it for similar shortcuts. For OnePlus, go to settings, utilities, quick launch. Hold your fingerprint to launch app fast. And if your phone doesn't have this feature built in, search the Play Store for Edge Screen or Smart Sidebar apps like Edge Screen S10 or Smart Sidebar. I'll write this for you, Assistive Touch. Okay, so practical case, here is, I use this daily. I can swipe here to quickly take a screenshot in 2 minutes. Or you can swipe to call your favorite contact. For what I set it up, I can swipe here and I can easily create new contacts. Tap this and it will take me to create new contacts. Okay, so that's it. Whether you use Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, or OnePlus, this shortcut feature will boost how fast and smart you use your phone. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you. I've got more phone hacks dropping daily.